Hi, Jessie. Why so sad, kitty? Are you happy today, kitty cat? Are you happy, blue-eye cat? Why are you so sad? No, I'm not sad. Not so sad. And there's these two over here. Are you happy today, Gracie? Hi, Gracie in the hammock. There's Gracie trying to be cute. Super cutie. Super cutie kitty. And Lexi. Are you happy today, Lexi? Are you happy today, Lexi? Oh, she's not so happy. Are you gonna play today? Wow. This is Grace's favorite toy. But she's kinda tired. She wants to just stay still there. Are you guys gonna hug it? Okay, here it is. Oh, and I found another one. BC. Hello, Bees Bees. Okay, let's go back to this cute little girl who's not so sad. That's just tired. Are you tired, little girl? Little girl. What's your name? Little girl's name is Jessie. This is Jessie, little girl. So cute. She's a Siamese Asian cat. Asian cat. Blue eyes. Dirty face. And kind of chocolate body. Yan po. This is Jessie cat. Oh, can't you smile? Can you smile for Mama? Can you say hi? Ek, meow. Ek, meow. Hello. Say hello to Mama. I'm trying to teach them how to talk or how to say meow. Let's see if this kitty will say meow. Churu. Do you want some churu? Ooh, churu. Later, I'll give you some churu, okay? For now, you just take a rest over there. This is a tortoiseshell without a tortitude. Just being sweet and nice all the time. Right, Gracie? Just a sweet little kitty cat. Gracie, and what is your name? Jessie. Yes, Jessie. They are twins. Twins. But they don't look alike. They have different personality. But they're both sweet and cute, right? Okay, I'll give you some rest. Bye for now, kitty.